Hello everyone, how to solve this problem for the values of x. If we have x plus 5 is equals to x and we solve this problem for all the values of x. So here first we need to find all the roots of this equation, and at the last we will be verify that which of the roots are solution or which of the roots are extraneous root. Further, we solve this problem for two methods. I hope so you like both of these two methods, but if you have any other method in your mind, so please don't hesitate to write this method into the comment section. So here the reason of first method is that if in your question statement the question is that you need to find the values of x, or you need to find the roots of this equation, then you must be solve this problem for first method. And if your question statement is that you need to determine whether this question or this equation has solution or not, then you directly do the second method. But in the second case, you just do both of these two methods. Both of these two solutions are valid for this problem. Okay, so now here we move towards the solution from first method, and in the first method we need to take squaring on both of the sides. So for the values of x, so here when we take squaring, it will be written as x plus 5 square is equals to x square. And in the next step, we need to use here the nice algebraic formula into the left hand side, and you know about that. If we have a plus b whole square is equals to a square plus 2 times of ab plus b square, and you see that this is the value of a and this is the value of b. So here our left hand side of this equation is implies that here first you have a square over a is x square plus 2 times of ab. Here our a is x and b is 5 plus b square. B is 5 square and this whole equation is equals to x square. And in the next step here we need more simplifications, and it will be written as this is x square plus 2 times 5 becomes 10x, and plus this is 5 square becomes 25. And we move this x square from right hand side to the left hand side, and it will becomes minus x square, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And now you see here this is the positive and negative term are cancelled out by each other, and we get the remaining values are 10x plus 25 is equals to 0. And here our target is to find the values of x. So for this we move 25 to the right hand side, and it will becomes 10x is equals to minus 25. And for the values of x, we need to remove 10 from left hand side, and for this we divide both of the sides by 10. And when we divide by 10, it will be written as 10x divided by 10, and minus 25 is divided by 10. So this 10 is cancelled out by this 10, and we get here our x is equals to, here we need to write this term into the simplified or lowest form. For this we just cancelled both of these two terms with the table of 5. So it will becomes here 5 2s are 10 and 5 5s are 25, and we will get here minus 5 over 2. So this is the value of x which we get here from first method, or this is the first root of the given equation. And you see here in first method we get only one root, and in the next step we need to verify that is this value of x be the solution of this equation, or is this be the extraneous root. So for verification of this value we need to copy down given question statement here, and our given question statement is x plus 5 is equals to x. And here in the both of the sides we need to substitute the value of x is equals to minus 5 over 2. So when we put this value on both of the sides, it will be written as this is x, and our x is equals to minus 5 over 2 plus 5 equals to x, and here our x is minus 5 over 2. And now here in the next step we need more simplifications, and it will be written as, here we need to take the LCM into the left hand side. So you see that the LCM of this term is 2, and this 2 is cancelled out by this 2. We get here minus 5 plus 2 5s are 10 is equals to minus 5 over 2. And here we need more simplifications, and it will be written as, this is minus 5 plus 10 becomes here 5 Minus 5 plus 10 becomes 5 over 2 is equals to minus 5 over 2. You see here in the left hand side is the positive value, in the right hand side be the negative value. So both of these two values are not equal. So if both of these two values are not equal, or in other words, we say that it is not possible case. It is not possible that 5 over 2 equals minus 5 over 2. So we rejected this case, and it means that the value of x is equals to minus 5 over 2 is not satisfied over this question statement. So if it is not satisfied, it means that it is not the solution, and if it is not the solution, then we conclude about that x equals minus 5 over 2 be the extraneous root of the given equation. Okay, this is the extraneous root because it does not satisfy our given question statement, and we cannot get any other value of x which is satisfied our given question statement. So we finally conclude about that this question has no solution. Okay, this is the final conclusion about solution of this problem. And now here we again solve this problem for second method, and in second method we just directly conclude about that is this question has solution exist or not. So for this we need to copy down given question statement. Here it is x plus 5 is equals to x, and in this method we move plus x to the right hand side to the left hand side to right hand side, and it will become 5 is equals to x minus x. So these two are gone, and we get here 5 is equals to 0, and you clearly see here 5 is not equals to 0. So if 5 is not equals to 0, this means that it is not possible, and if it is not possible, then we cannot get any other value of x. We cannot get any value of x which is satisfied over this question statement. So we finally conclude about that this question has no solution. Okay, so this is the final conclusion of this problem, and thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.